Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kayla Jukic. If you are new, if you're not, hello again. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a summer SHEIN try-on haul and review. As always, I did a little closet clean out going into the summertime and I got rid of some things that didn't fit me or that I don't wear anymore. So I just went ahead onto SHEIN's website to pick up a few things to kind of replace them. I didn't want to go too overboard just because, you know, your girl's in her saving money era, but I did need a few things. I think in total I spent about $150. Just so you guys know, I will link everything below, so if there's anything that you like or you want to get your hands on, you can find that in the description box. So yeah, we are just gonna jump right into it. The first outfit I have is this linen pant tank top combo. We're gonna start with the tank top. It's basically just like a little graphic tee that says yeehaw on it. I got it in a size small and it's 95% cotton and 5% elastane. And to pair with that top, I bought these high-waisted drawstring wide-legged linen pant in the color red. I got it in a size medium and the material on it is 70% viscose and 30% linen. This is what the top looks like on. I'm wearing a bralette underneath. It would look so much better with just like a plain strapless bra. The bralette is a little bit like ribbed and it has some detail to it, so it shows through, but if you're wearing like a plain bra, then you're gonna be fine. I like the cut of it. It fits really good. It does have a tiny bit of stretch to it and it is very lightweight, so it's gonna be good in the summertime. I don't know why I went for this shirt. I just thought it was really cute. I'm not into country or anything, but I just like the red with the red pants. And that is what the back looks like. Honestly, I love these pants. So as you can see, the waistband is really stretchy and there is a drawstring on it. The string is pretty long, so I feel like I do need to like double knot it almost. I love that it has two pockets and they're pretty deep, so you can leave your phone in there. Again, I'm tall and this actually goes down pretty far, which is a good thing for me. Don't mind me, I don't have shoes on, but that's a great thing. I do feel like if I want to wear them more high-waisted, then it gets obviously shorter. So if I want it to be the perfect length on my long legs, I kind of gotta wear them here. Not too low rise, but definitely not high rise. They're super comfortable. Again, I love the material. I wore these already the other weekend to like a fair type of thing that I went to with Alan. I'm very surprised how much I like these pants, and it comes in like 7 or 8 other colors. Like I'm talking green, pink, black, blue. I can't remember what else, but there is a couple of them. And I feel like these pants are just so good in the summer because they are still pretty lightweight. Like the material does feel really good, but you know, maybe on a cool evening or when it's maybe only like 20-ish degrees outside. So I definitely think I'm going to be picking it up in another color or two. The second outfit that I have to show you is this like overall wide-legged jumpsuit. I got it in a size small and it is 100% polyester. I think I paid like $21.99 for it. You can find these exact overalls on Amazon as well. You guys have probably seen me wear them before. I have like a beige one, but there is a few differences. One is the material. The material on this one is a little bit thicker and it does feel slightly more rough. And then the second thing is that this pretty much fits me full length, whereas the one from Amazon that I have, it fits me like a capri length. I will show you like a full body view of this overalls thing, but I want to show you the top first. So it is a square neckline. The straps actually are adjustable, so there is 2 different buttons. The bottom button obviously makes the jumpsuit sit a little bit lower and look a little bit more like baggy, but you can undo them, so they're not fake buttons, and you can put it on the first one. I'm having trouble here. So the top portion sits a little bit higher, if you get what I mean. I personally like the look of the second button. I also just feel like I have a little bit more room on the top and just like kind of less restricted, but the option is totally up to you. I'm wearing the bralette still underneath, but you can wear like a white crop top, a tube top, something like that. There is a little pocket in the front. This is what the back looks like. Honestly, it's just very cute. Like I feel like I'm wearing, you know, those like painter overalls? That's kind of like the vibe I'm getting. I just switched the camera angle so that you can get like a full view of what they look like. So like I mentioned, with the ones that I have from Amazon, they do fit me more like capri length. but these ones from SHEIN fit me full length, and I'm 5'8". I got long legs, so I'm actually really happy about that. There is 2 pockets on the side, but I will say the pockets aren't very deep. They feel kind of small. Like, I don't feel like I could put my phone in here safely. I feel like it would just like fall out. Versus the ones on Amazon, it's actually like really deep pockets and you can actually fit things in there. I just think this is such a cute option. You wear it with like a white tube top or a crop top or something, and it's like a really easy outfit. It also does come in 5 other colors, I believe. So black, blue, pink, beige, and gray. The third outfit that I want to show you is a 2-piece pleated set. I did get it in a size medium, and the material on it is 100% polyester. We'll start with the top. So it does have a tie strap, which I tied around the back of my neck, and then it does have a tie front. The chest part is triangular, as you can see, and then it leaves your midsection a little bit open. The material is like pleated, so it's like not ruffled. I don't know how to explain it, but there is some kind of like texture to it. And then when you flip to the back, you can see this is where I tied it, and then the like whole upper back is exposed. This part goes all the way around, and it is pretty stretchy, as you can see, so it doesn't feel tight or restricting. The pants have that same, you know, like textured material. The waistband is pretty stretchy. I will say I wish it was slightly longer, like literally just maybe even 1 inch longer. As well, it is slightly see-through, so you can see here, this is the tag. I'm gonna have to cut it out. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I'm commando right now because the underwear I had on, you could see through this color, which is like a champagne color. So if you do like this color and want to go with it, you either have to go commando or you're gonna have to wear underwear that's the exact same color, because like as you can see, that bothers me. I hate that you can see that tag. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit worried about this set. I wasn't sure how it was gonna fit or how it was gonna look, but I actually really do like it. I think it's a very cute option, and I like the fact that it's a set because I feel like I can mix match these types of things. Like I feel like I can wear the top with like a denim short or denim skirt or something like that, and then vice versa. I feel like I can wear these pants with like a nice top, or I feel like I could even use this as like a bathing suit cover up. Who knows? There's definitely tons of options, but I do like how it looks together. And it does come in 4 other colors. So there's like 2 other beigey type of colors, black and then blue. That is it for outfits. Now I have 3 tops that I want to show you guys. I just went ahead and bought these like individually because I have things at home already that I can pair them with. The first top that I want to show you is this floral vest. You honestly may have seen this on like social media, maybe TikTok or even Instagram, because I feel like this vest has been going viral. It's one of those things that are like really popular right now on Amazon. I'm in Canada, and on Amazon Canada you can't get it on Prime or like in good timing. Like you have to have it imported, which makes sense because all the girls that I see posting this are in the United States, and you know Amazon in the States is a little bit better than in Canada. So I did find it on SHEIN. I got it in a size small, and it is 100% polyester. This is what the vest looks like on. You can totally get away with wearing a bralette underneath it. You will have obviously an exposed tummy. I will say I wish there was like a little clip so it could be more so just like a vest on its own, because the fact that it doesn't have a clip, I feel like I do need to wear something underneath, just because like I'm not the type of person that would walk around like this, maybe on vacation but like not at home. So I definitely think that's something that I will add. But the vest itself is really cute. I like the length of it. It pretty much just sits above the belly button, so there's a tiny bit of skin showing, but it also kind of like meets the right point in my bottoms. It is like an off-white cream color, and the blue is just stunning. The pattern, honestly, the embroidery on it is so good. Like the flowers are super detailed. You have this like border going around the entire thing. It's just so nice. And then on the back, it is just plain. It has the border going around the neckline, but I don't know, I just love it. Even right now, just wearing like blue denim jeans, it looks really good. But I picture this with like a white maxi skirt, that would be a really cute outfit, or something along those lines. Overall, I think this is so cute. Like I said, I wish there was the little clip. I will probably add it myself just because it will give me that option, but otherwise you can wear this over top of like a white tank top, tube top, even like a bralette if you're feeling a little bit risky. The second top that I want to show you is something that is so in right now, and that is denim vests. I am not kidding you when I say I have been trying so many on at like American Eagle, especially because I've been really wanting to get one, but I just didn't want to pay the price. Like, I think the one at American Eagle was like $60 or $70, and I was like, do I really want to pay that? No. So I did find this option on SHEIN, and it was $17. I got it in a size small, and the material on it, it is a little bit of a blend. So it's 69% cotton, 15% polyester, 13% viscose, and 3% modal. I've never even heard of that before. No idea what that is, but that's what it is. Putting on the denim vest now. So again, I mean, you definitely could leave it open if you wanted to. You just have to dress appropriately underneath. But for me, I plan on leaving it buttoned up, or that's how I want to wear it. I'm actually impressed with the buttons. They don't feel like very flimsy. I really like the wash on it. It's not too dark, it's not too light. I also like that it's a little bit of a deep V-neck. It doesn't have pockets or anything, but I feel like I would kind of like it, not necessarily to put anything in, but if there was like a little pocket here and here, just for more of a design aspect, but still it's really cute. Again, I'm really happy with the look and the fit of it. I was a little bit worried that it might be a little bit too small, but it's honestly perfect. And if you don't like this color wash, it does come in two other like denim washes. One is a little bit lighter than this one, and then the other one is a lot darker. It's more like blue. And then the third top is another vest. This one is like a knitted floral button up. You may have been seeing this one go a little bit viral also. I got it in a size medium, and the material on it is 100% acrylic. That was actually something that worried me, because I'm the type of person, when I wear anything acrylic, whether it's like an acrylic scarf or hat or sweater, it makes me feel so friggin' itchy. I don't know about you guys. So I personally tend to stay away from acrylic material. However, I will say I did wear this to my brother-in-law's graduation. I think I was in it for like 8 or 9 hours, like pretty much an entire day, and I didn't feel itchy once. It's not a super high neck, but I definitely will say it is a little bit of a higher neck. You have the buttons going down, and then I kind of like this like little cutout right here, so you kind of show a little bit of tummy. The print on the vest is so cute. I love that it's beige and black. It's a very cute neutral top. It is knitted, but I don't feel like it's super see-through. Like, I'm only wearing a bralette underneath. You definitely could put a top underneath and leave it unbuttoned, but for like me personally, I'm gonna be wearing it like this, where it's buttoned up. I honestly probably could have went with a size small, but I like that it's not like super tight and it's not super baggy. It feels like really good on me. This is super cute, and it's definitely gonna be a staple in my wardrobe for the summertime. With a pair of shorts, a pair of cargo pants, even like a maxi skirt, I think this would be so cute with. Last but not least, I want to go over some accessories that I picked up. So the first thing that I picked up are these vintage looking hexagonal shaped sunglasses. In this specific sunglass, there's a few different frame colors and film color combos that you can choose from. I went ahead and chose the gold frame with the black film. When I bought them, I believe it was $5.70, so pretty cheap for a pair of sunglasses. I'm very picky when it comes to sunglasses, and I've never gone out of my comfort zone and bought something that looks like these, but I've been wanting to try something new, and for $5, then obviously this is the thing to try. I actually kind of like them. They're growing on me. The glass part itself is very durable. It's just like this frame. It feels a little bit flimsy, but not too much. Like, as you can see, it literally holds my hair up. I also did pick up this like colorful striped woven flap over tassel type of bag or purse. It is made out of this like woven material, so it is really lightweight, and it doesn't have like too much structure or like durability. But don't get me wrong, it is really good quality and good shape. But if you've ever had like a woven tote bag or something like that, that's kind of what it feels like. So it's kind of light and not really structured. What drew me to this purse is the color. All of my purses are black, white, brown, and I think I have a burgundy one. So I don't have anything that's too colorful. And I've been noticing a lot of the outfits I've been already wearing kind of like in the spring and summer are like white linen sets or something like white or neutral or beige. So I really wanted a colorful purse to kind of accent those types of outfits. The strap on it is this like gold chain, and it's a flip purse. So it does have a little button and then you just flip it open, and that is what the inside looks like. It's not a huge purse by any means. Like, look at it in comparison to like my head or like even my hand, but you can definitely fit your phone, maybe a small camera, you know, your lip glosses, a small like little wallet or whatever. And it was only $11, so I definitely think it's worth it. So that concludes today's Shein try on haul and review for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully it gave you a little bit of inspo for your fashion for the summer. Again, I'm gonna leave the links for everything in the description box below, and if you guys have any questions, please comment that below or shoot me a DM on Instagram. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe to me and give this video a big thumbs up. That lets me know you guys enjoy these types of videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.